Here you are, suffocating in your own stale routine, surrounded by laundry mountains and the echo of unread emails. You're scrolling for an escape, but the only breeze you feel is the cold comfort of procrastination. Funny how you keep complaining about the air, yet you never bother to open the window. Fresh air, new opportunity, just a handle away, but you're too busy wallowing in the stuffy comfort of your excuses. Maybe it's time to stand up, crack that window, and let something real in. Or don't. But remember, the air only changes if you do.